lie where Nusa when Zowegi one put for Mommy Iyore head so it not good at all. It not good make people they lie for this world. Or that many say 12 na they quarrel. Not pull lie for your head. I shocked for the video when I see just now when Mommy Iyore take call Ate her son. Because so when Zowegi be don't lie say Ate her money where they donate for her before he die. Say they not give his children. But now the money now, when Mommy Iyore call the son just now, the son talking just now and I said the money is still there intact. The money they bank 5 million naira. Why people they lie for this world? That is why evidence too good for this life, my darling people. Evidence is too good for this life. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you never subscribe, my darling people, I beg mona go subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. You see this life, you see this life. I go put the video mona listing. This life no balance. It no balance at all. And I want use this video to tell you now. Mona not dey let anybody they fight for them again. If you not get any problem for social media, don't allow anybody to fight for you again. Because if they fight for you finish, later they'll believe they say that na so you be ungrateful, na so you be bad person. But person not call on the banner self they do what they on our mind. Just see the big line away or will be proof of Mommy Iyore head now. If not be God will save her now say she even see after her son call now. Now some people for believe now. Many people for don't believe now say na truth. Now each they talk. So I just happy for this video when I see just now. I go put this video now more and listen my darling people. I beg. Yeah, when I hear more EG, nere bama ogo I see my darling people. I said to see I go put the video now more and listen. More I me share the video. The one I first share that one where the lie woman do. And I go see share this one like that. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye.
Destiny, no be destiny. Not be destiny. No die na wa do we video after I'm na ifia. You when wa dam you okay? No bobi ya take ya tie na. Saloba no pick. No bobi ya no dio. Wa dam you. I love you my people. Wa dam you. God bless you all. Wa dam you. No sagbe orwe. Oh, Zalobua. It's never too late to enrich your life. It's never too late. I'll be at the age of 47 years. I'll be at the age of 50 years. If you are ready to settle down. If your character is good, you can get a husband. You know? You can get. Destiny in my phone where. Wadame Wanorudu wa not say me where Mommy Iyore matter no 5 million as then I take our girl we are. So Saloba no we na manamu ya ati otun no dio. Otin ateka no dio. De nani gwale no bagani. Hello, Destiny. Agwai.
Hello, Destiny.
The Destiny no hibo.
Obi ateka.
Do we ateka no hi?
No Jamie, no.
Okay, no wo be Jamie. Destiny we not say any na tie we na. A public image now because if you remember me what you where a 5 million amuni jue that what we get me do what we me na do time live me na do time where a 5 million amuni jue we igo na amuni jue wo tomato saloboa
Ama we are bank
dada ni mu go ninu wa
Mana di kuna with secretary now we transfer terminal team.
Atiku wa dame wa. Dama no we transfer 5 million we dey repeat
Secretary.
The secretary now with the transfer of 5 million wa. Unu wa we na.
Me terminal to no ku. Keke no bien no huni no pe ameba kian.
O wa ni ju e bobe Iyore estate. Ama wa ya abama wa e.
Ameme in the video with phone myself.
O me the video of the house or ju e Iyore estate.
Yes.
Send the egu me baba na be private number me ni.
Okay.
Because when no say na tie we aro ene abi aro isen o etie me baba na we mommy jore I mama ho we you go 5 million mu na late of take go we na we first one me be ya na he me maka be ho na e me wa be ho na go we because me be o ya we eh because ya ni go gwe ya mata ma me gigi ya we ama we go ni chin ya bo ama we amro ba na ya block ya ube we no dion gun na ona ewe iyari o mare no do toge o ya take no dion re la ni na we you go na 5 million na mu nu gwa gi me wo we because me ma ga ni me ya tai I mata wo we mata ba fa
Mama we.
Ena popo magu no popo ma ogibu aga to agbori o ma o ale leri o wa o ma re gbofo me o gbofo ri ma o yeye. Oh my God, oh my God. Salobua amyorun pa de me blessing leru no salobua wo wenu one thing wa ni buma orun pa no salobua temu no wa pa ese ti mu egboto beni meje mese ti ton ma mu beni me mana tin gbi memu ise ti ton we mu beni me mana tin gbi memu no because omo bi ogba yan dazo gba hian atiku wa dame yo na wa dame yo owa igo ni memu nu gwa 5 million wa awo wi ina me ma wa mata ma me go wi obi ateka destiny
Mama, yeah, the time, man.
ina wo mata ma me mama be ta ma me go wi
Oh, me calling it. You mean I call you Mama we, Mama.
okay we call mama no we no e di go wi bakati awo ma wi
Oh.
o ma ni ga de no ba send the number ga le private number go me no go me call e baba send the number mommy
Okay.
call
Come on.
no why otin take no ko no dion e we no send the number first time me ya on na kin ga take awi hey saloboa Mommy Iyore don't settle with her again hey mo Iyore mo Iyore get kwa mo Iyore get the video o wa take her mo Iyore ima when a fake name ima sa we bodo change any man guy vaya mai ya wi ya na hina we are jeko guy eti omudia ba ati wa bege ma so mudia Iyore estate be na hin bege o wa take ka ni o bi o send the baba na first time me be ya mi na hin o me ka send the gu me de eme na tabi ke no ve da o na set defend me go ma do awo ideni gwa logo ti o no pia na take ka see me abi no see me take ka and I no be pa no bo we je no ko no dion iwe mo because first time me ya na here bugbe no mejo mo mi joro mata mi magigo na donate na take awi Jesus Christ gogo ti o no pia de no ni we ti o ti o no pia wa down yo a life na if you want to win any battle you need to choose truth wa onu win any case o atemata umana digwe bo tukeke unwe omani unwe ge gosa umana temata la dia wunu unwe ge omani gosa ikpi ya e utome nobody knows tomorrow you know there is no amount of talk the devil atan wana bring him down wa keregbe okon wa 1 million we koni wa keregbe 5 million wa wi emi na mamu yepo emi na wa transfer wa no ma vacancy o wa wi ya saloboa ya god for do sa ji wina re mu me ni dokun ma ye wa ko enu are 47 years una ave character wa ye mi odo e ju say frustration ya popo ma o ma no 48 years o ye bie u ga money on your top u ga bring egbe we down o ye bie it never too late ella no ma emezi mana stop in ella no ho. Don't use frustration to talk wetin no dey exist. Ovie me ba maparo no be the age of 50 years. Ona bivieva. There are many people in me Facebook. Not be at the age of 40 something year, 48, 49. But when you bring your character down, your proudness down, you go get child. It's never too late. Character na ama wa mi be. You say frustration why I may be a judge on my be. Or just because of saying, you know, so I will not give our mawe anywhere. Oh, wait, okay. Oh, do you ma give by? Ah. It didn't ya no be because he may honor where he gonna muna take a 5 million go we. It did. He wait your tune no be not there we am going to your country. Many people reprogramming and not donate go Irani. Many people reprogramming and not donate go Nigeria. Many people reprogramming and me wijo bonane. Thousands of people ni me wijo bona. Many people run on Nigeria ni me wijo bona.